Python is so popular? Python, a high-level interpreted programming language, was born from the mind of Dutch programmer Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s. Officially released in 1991, Python quickly grew into a global phenomenon. Today, it's known for its simplicity, readability, and flexibility. From web development to artificial intelligence and scientific computing, Python's applications are vast and varied. Now, let's dive deeper into the features of Python. Python boasts a rich set of features that make it an attractive choice for developers. Let's dive into some of these key features to understand why. First off, Python's syntax is clean, simple, and easy to understand. This makes Python accessible for both beginners and experienced programmers. The readability not only contributes to faster development, but also eases the maintenance of large code bases. If you've ever spent hours trying to decipher cryptic code, you'll appreciate the beauty of Python's clear and concise syntax. Next, Python is an interpreted language. This means that the Python interpreter executes code line by line, eliminating the need for compilation. This makes the development process more agile and straightforward, as you can run your code and receive immediate feedback. It's like having a conversation with your computer. Python also uses dynamic typing. This means that you can assign data types to variables at runtime, adding a layer of flexibility to your code development. This feature simplifies code development and promotes rapid prototyping. You can change your mind midway through coding and Python won't hold it against you. Now let's talk about Python's multi-paradigm support. Python supports procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. This versatility allows developers to choose the most appropriate programming approach for their projects. Whether you're building a simple script or a complex system, Python has got you covered. Python also boasts an extensive standard library that provides modules and functions for a wide range of tasks. From file I/O, networking, to data manipulation, Python's standard library eliminates the need to reinvent the wheel and accelerates development. Last but not least, Python has a vast ecosystem of third-party libraries and frameworks that extend its capabilities. From web development, data science, machine learning, and more, these libraries enable developers to leverage existing solutions and accelerate development. These features make Python versatile and powerful, but why exactly is it so popular? So why has Python become the go-to language for so many developers and industries? Well, the answer lies in its compelling features that cater to a diverse range of applications. First and foremost, Python is praised for its simplicity. Its syntax is clean, clear, and remarkably easy to learn. This makes Python an excellent choice for both coding novices and seasoned programmers. It's a language that promotes code clarity, reducing the cognitive load on developers and making it easier to maintain large code bases. Python's simplicity doesn't just translate to less headache, it also means faster development cycles. With Python, you can turn your ideas into working prototypes swiftly and efficiently. But Python's appeal doesn't stop at simplicity. It's also known for its readability. Python's code is often described as English-like, making it highly accessible and easy to comprehend. This readability enhances collaboration among developers, as Python code is straightforward to read and understand. Even if you're new to a project, you can quickly get up to speed and start contributing. What's more, Python is incredibly versatile. It supports a wide range of applications, from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and scientific computing. This versatility owes much to Python's extensive standard library and its vast ecosystem of third-party libraries and frameworks. Whether you're building a website, analyzing data, or developing a machine learning model, Python has you covered. It's a language that empowers developers to solve problems across a multitude of domains. And let's not forget about Python's dynamic typing and interpreted nature, which offer additional flexibility and agility. With Python, you can dynamically assign data types at runtime and execute code line by line. This means you can iterate quickly, making the development process more responsive and efficient. In conclusion, Python's popularity isn't an accident. It's a testament to its simplicity, readability, versatility, and wide range of applications. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into programming or an experienced developer seeking a powerful, flexible language, Python is a superb choice. Python's simplicity and versatility make it an invaluable tool for programmers of all levels. So there you have it. We've journeyed through the world of Python, understanding its rich feature set, from its easy-to-learn syntax and dynamic typing to its vast ecosystem. We've also discovered why it's garnered such popularity, being an ideal choice for beginners and seasoned developers alike. Its versatility lends itself to a multitude of applications, from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned programmer, Python has something to offer you. Why not give it a try?